We'll guide you through how to create a green screen effect using CapCut, which makes your videos pop with amazing backgrounds. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Import your main video clip by dragging it into the media library, and then onto the timeline. Next, you need to import the green screen overlay that you want to use, whether it's an image or video, and place it on the track above your main clip. Once both clips are in the timeline, double-click the green screen clip to open the editing options on the right panel or right-click on it. Scroll down to find the chroma key tool and click on it. This tool allows you to remove the green background from your overlay. Now, use the color picker tool to select the green color on your overlay, and you'll see it disappear, revealing the background below. Adjust the strength and shadow sliders to refine the edges and make the effect look more natural. If you notice any green spill on your subject, you can tweak these settings until it looks just right. You might want to zoom in for better precision while adjusting. Once you're satisfied with the effect, you can add transitions or effects to make the scene more dynamic. Finally, preview your video to ensure everything looks seamless, and when you're happy with the result, click on the Export button to save your masterpiece. Green screen effects can elevate your video production by allowing you to place your subject in different environments without ever leaving your room. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.